This is my Trot Tune Challenge. Thanks, Julian Castanev, for nominating me. To donate to St. Patrick's Mental Health Foundation, you can text SHOES to 57802. I'd like to nominate Caroline Keane, Adam Shapiro, and Damien Werner, and this is my tune.